CineCut CineCut CineCut
สวัสดีค่ะคุณผู้ชมขอต้อนรับเข้าสู่รายการ CineCut นะคะพบกับเนมเป็นประจำทุกวันจันทร์และวันพฤหัสบดีเวลาดีๆแบบนี้เลยค่ะทางช่อง M Channel ที่เนมจะพาคุณผู้ชมไปเจาะเบื้องหลังหนังที่น่าสนใจกันค่ะคุณผู้ชมคะถ้าคนคนหนึ่งวันหนึ่งต้องประสบอุบัติเหตุและพิการใช้ชีวิตอยู่บนรถเข็นคุณคิดว่าเขาจะรู้สึกยังไงบ้างคะอยากจะมีชีวิตอยู่ต่อหรืออยากจะหายเป็นปกติไหมแต่วิลเทเนอร์เศรษฐีแบงค์หนุ่มกับสิ้นหวังและหมดหวังในชีวิตจนกระทั่งเจอหญิงสาวธรรมดาคนนึงเข้ามาเปลี่ยนแปลงชีวิตของเขาและพาเขาออกมาผจญภัยอีกครั้งเรื่องราวจะเป็นอย่างไรเราไปติดตามได้ใน Me Before You ค่ะ
We've tried the chicken factory.
I'm still having nightmares about those giblets.
We've tried beautician.
Turns out hot wax is not my friend.
I'm running out of options for you here, Louisa.
Please, I'll take anything.
And this is new care and companionship for a disabled man.
Do you have any experience of caregiving?
I've never done it, but I'm sure I could learn.
Then let's go meet Will. Will, this is Louisa Clark. Nathan will talk you through Will's routines and equipment.
You don't have to talk across me, Mother. My brain isn't paralyzed. Yet.
Good morning.
Oh, he hates me. Every time I speak, he looks at me like I'm stupid. To be fair, you are pretty stupid.
Yeah, but he doesn't know that yet.
Interesting choice of footwear.
What do you mean by that?
They can't be from around here.
Why not?
This is the kind of place people come to when they got tired of actually living.
I'm happy here.
Yeah, well, you shouldn't be. You only get one life. It's actually your duty to live it as fully as possible. No, stay. Tell me something good.
When I was little, my favourite outfit was
My bumblebee tights.
Bumblebee tights.
Black and yellow stripes.
Oh, dear God.
Didn't you ever love anything that much?
Yes.
Loving can hurt
Please don't tell me you shaved off my eyebrows.
Either one.
Can I take you somewhere?
You are so going on a date with Will Trainer.
It's too booby.
Get the red dress out.
We keep this love
I don't want to go in yet. I just want to be a man who's been to a concert with a girl in a red dress. A few minutes more.
Loving can heal
I promised my parents 6 months and that's what I've given them.
But that was before me.
I want him to live, but only if he wants to live.
We can't just let this happen.
You can't change who people are.
Well, what can you do?
You love them.
And if you hurt me
I don't want you to miss all the things that someone else could give you.
inside these pages
I can make you happy.
I won't ever let you go
I have become a whole new person because of you.
away
Do you know something, Clark? You are pretty much the only thing that makes me want to get up in the morning.
Wait for me to come home CineCut CineCut
กลับมาอีกครั้งนะคะกับผู้กำกับชองมาร์ควัลลี่กลับมาคราวนี้กับเรื่อง Demolition ที่ได้รางวัลขวัญใจผู้ชมในเทศกาล South by Southwest Film Festival ที่ผ่านมาค่ะเรื่องราวเกิดขึ้นหลังจากจูเลียภรรยาของเดวิดเสียชีวิตลงจากอุบัติเหตุรถยนต์และเขาก็ใช้ชีวิตไม่เหมือนเดิมอีกต่อไปเดวิดจะก้าวผ่านความเศร้าได้หรือไม่เราไปติดตามตัวอย่างและเบื้องหลังกันเลยค่ะ
Dear Champion Vending Company, this letter is in regards to vending machine 714 located in St. Andrews Hospital, which should have given me peanut M&Ms. Regrettably, it didn't.
The machine over there, my candy's stuck.
It happens sometimes.
I found this upsetting as I was very hungry, and also my wife had died 10 minutes earlier.
She's gone.
Maybe I should start from the beginning. I get up every morning at 5:30. I never thought I'd be one of those people who carried a briefcase.
Morning.
It always reminds me of carrying a lunchbox to school.
Davis.
We handle quite a bit of money. I don't want to say how much because I think that would be inappropriate. Okay, it's $6 billion. I don't think Phil liked me that much at first. I wasn't all that ambitious. Also, he told me once.
I don't like you, Davis.
Julia was a nice girl, a good person. Other than that, I don't think I knew who she really was. She always said I didn't pay attention. I find I'm suddenly starting to notice things I never saw before. Well, maybe I saw them. I just wasn't paying attention.
There's been time in my life.
Phil said it himself. If you want to fix something,
You have to take everything apart.
and figure out what's important.
You miss her?
Heartache and pain.
I'm trying to.
Heartache,
What are we doing again?
heartache, pain.
You're taking apart my marriage. There was love between me and Julia. I just didn't take care of it.
CineCut. CineCut.
So the action is you stop making some noise. So then you wonder how come he stops? Then you look at him and you see him doing something from behind, and then he presses play and you hear some music, and then you exit the train. Here we go. We think that you're gonna use it as it's supposed to, you know? Yeah. So you go like this. Take a moment. Are you ready for that dialogue back there? Take a moment. Music, enjoying the music. You do making one car, and then you do the thing here. And do yourself. If you miss, do it again. Go out there, do what you did. And then once you calm here.
We're happy. 7 days of shooting and then been
Chris Cooper's in the house as well.
And we are rolling sound.
There was love between me and Julia. I just didn't take care of it.
A bulldozer.
Yeah, you can buy almost anything on eBay.
เป็นยังไงกันบ้างคะกับเบื้องหลังหนังสนุกๆที่เนมเอามาฝากกันค่ะและอย่าลืมเข้ามาติดตามพูดคุยได้ใน Facebook CineCut TV Show และติดตามรายการย้อนหลังได้ที่เว็บไซต์ amazinggrouptvthailand.com ค่ะวันนี้เวลาหมดลงแล้วค่ะกับการพาคุณผู้ชมไปดูเบื้องหลังหนังสนุกๆกันนะคะและอย่าลืมติดตามเนมได้ใหม่ในรายการ CineCut สัปดาห์หน้าทางช่อง M Channel ค่ะวันนี้เนมขออนุญาตลาไปก่อนนะคะสวัสดีค่ะ
CineCut